Hi, my name is Ludas Butkus, and in this episode of What to Hodl, I want to do a quick tutorial video to show you how to check the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency. Also, how to know where you can trade these cryptocurrencies. Yes, Bitcoin is accepted on basically every single exchange, as with Ethereum, but if you're looking at some smaller cryptocurrencies, you might not know where they are traded. And in this video I will show you where to learn that information. So the site that I'm using and most of the people in cryptocurrencies are using is CoinMarketCap.com. I will have the link in the description. And when you go to the site, you will see a page like this. And what you want to do is click View All to list the whole list of cryptocurrencies, because that would show only the first 100. And here you can see a list, and there's more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies out there that are currently listed. So, for example, to check the price, you can see it for the biggest cryptos right over here, because they are at the top, and you will see them at here at price. You can have them in USD, in BTC, in euros, or other cryptos if you like. Usually they start out with dollars. Next, if you want to check where you can trade them, for example, let's go to Bitcoin. If you want to check where you can trade Bitcoin, it automatically goes to the markets, and here are the websites where you can trade Bitcoin. It starts with the ones that have the highest volume, and you can also sort it out by volume, by price, and that's basically it. So by volume, some of them are, these were probably wrong numbers, and they have 2 stars over here, which is basically means that there was some problem, and they are not included usually in the real calculations. Then if you look at the price, the highest price for Bitcoin is on HitBTC at $9,555, which is a huge difference. And again, you should actually go to that exchange and look at the real price, because it's kind of likely that this might be a mistake. But overall, here you will see all the websites where you can trade a specific cryptocurrency. So let's do another crypto. For example, something a little less known, Virge. There was a lot of noise about it recently, and let's do an analysis of what we can see from this page. So when we land here, we have a few links, a website to go to the website of the cryptocurrency, announcements, the block explorer, chats, source code, and there's a tag with the rank, and the rank is based on the market cap. And there's also a couple tags. It is a mineable coin, and it is a coin or a token, and this time it is a coin. Next we have the price, the percentage change, and also we have a market cap, which is nothing more just the price multiplied by the circulating supply. Next we have volume for 24 hours, then circulating supply and max supply. And below we have the charts, where we can see how the price was growing. You can also only look at the market cap, how the market cap was growing, or we can also look at the price in BTC, because some traders like to see their coins, the value of the coin, has it grown according to BTC or not? Have they better just hold it in BTC or not? So this is why it's here. Next we have 24-hour volume, where we can check how much of that cryptocurrency was traded. And we can also zoom in on different parts. We can enter specific dates that we are interested in. And if you don't know where Virge is being traded, you go to the markets, and you can see that it is being traded on Bittrex, Binance. Bittrex has the biggest volume, then Binance, Lightbit. Some of them aren't even, I'm not really aware of these cryptocurrency exchanges. And here is the percentage volume, the price. You can do some arbitrage if you want, if you see some good opportunities. And that's pretty much it. You also have the Twitter feed, and there's tools for developers and historical data where you can get the open price, the high price, the low price, and close price for the day, and how much volume it was, for basically painting your own charts if you would like. So that's pretty much it for checking out what you can see about a single cryptocurrency. If you would want, you can always find a cryptocurrency by just clicking Ctrl F, and on your browser you will start the browsing. And for example, if I wanted to find that same Virge, I just type it in and I can find it. Or I can use the site's search function, which is over here. Type in Virge, it's over there. Type in some other cryptocurrency, Monero, that's already there as well. You can also do some other sorting by market cap to show all the cryptos or only from specific ranges if you like. Also by price to show some by specific price. Also the most traded in 24-hour volume if that's something that you would want. Another very good thing to use, is the currency converter calculator. Is something that I like to use. For example, I got paid like 0.099 BTC, and I want to know how much is that worth in dollars. So that would be now worth $703. Maybe I'm in Europe and I need to show it in euros, so that would be around 600 euros. For example, the same Virge, if I would get 300 worth of 300 Virge tokens, I would enter it in, and that would be 1.57 euros. Or we can also use it in Bitcoin. Here it is. So that would be worth 0.002 BTC. So basically you can convert from any single crypto or into fiat as well, and to know what would be the price. Lastly, what you can find on this page that can be useful is, let it load for a bit. At the top is the total market cap and the 24-hour volume total and BTC dominance. Let's take a look at these charts over here. They can be quite interesting to analyze the whole market of cryptocurrencies. So here we have the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, and here we can see how it had started in these waves. It jumped to 140 billion, then in another jump to 172, another jump to 229, and this is where we're at right now. Next we have total market capitalization excluding Bitcoin. So basically the same list, but we exclude Bitcoin because it is such a major cryptocurrency, and basically it shows the altcoin market. So after the spike it was 67, 97, and we are basically at the same rate at 98 billion. So yeah, then we have the chart of percentage of total market capitalization dominance. So this is the Bitcoin as the highest one, and the second one was Ethereum. So at this point they had very similar dominance, they had a huge parts of the whole market, but then Bitcoin skyrocketed and Ethereum basically stayed at the same price and its dominance fell. So you can check basically the biggest cryptos in this chart and how much of the whole market they are taking. Also, Bitcoin Cash is now the fork of Bitcoin added in to this list, which is also a very big crypto. So this is it for this quick video. You can now find out the prices. They are updated, I think, every 10 seconds or so. So basically every single refresh the price will be a little bit different. They are taken directly from the exchanges, and this is the most accurate place to check cryptocurrency prices and also check where they are being traded. Now, not if a cryptocurrency is very small or it is just after the ICO, just guessing maybe some of these are. There are sometimes not enough information, or the information isn't yet supplied, and just, well, okay. So right here, the circulating supply would have question marks. If it's right after the ICO and there is not enough data, there would be question marks, and that just means that CoinMarketCap doesn't have the data yet, so it will not have a accurate market cap as well. So that's something that can happen, so be aware of that. So yeah, also you, as I think I forgot to mention or not, is that you can translate this whole chart into BTC or euros if you like. So now all the prices are in euros if you like to look at the prices like that. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer them. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.